Hello, Bree and Rob. I am wanting to formally invite you guys out to our Hershey Meet-N-Greet. We will be hosting at the Antique Car Museum in Hershey, PA, 17th through the 20th of September. We'll be there 10 to 6. We do have bookings available on our website that you can go and sign up. You can call us, email us, whatever it takes. We will be doing these by appointment only. We'll have allotted time slots for people. We want to make sure that we're one-on-one going through the coach with your rep to go through the build, quality materials, decor, things like that. We are going to ask and provide masks to you, and we'll obviously be going through and cleaning the units periodically. We just want to ensure the safety of our clients and ourselves through these trying times. I really appreciate you all coming to our meet and greets in the past. It's one of the things that we are now able to still host and be there with a little bit of adjustments on precautions. So I hope to see you soon.